The Yamashita Compass Code. This is another requested topic for me to discuss, which is all about the Yamashita Compass Code. For those who do not know anything about this Yamashita Compass Code, it is a circular sort of diagram that contains measurements, particularly about distance, depths, and angles. They will be the basis of your actions, about what you need to do next on your excavation site, until you are able to uncover the hidden treasure deposit. Based on my basic understanding about this Yamashita Compass Code, you have to explore your site, and look for markers around. Among all these markers, you have to determine the center marker, because this is the spot where you are going to start applying the Yamashita Compass Code method. Here is an incomplete illustration of the Yamashita Compass Code that I made for the purpose of this discussion. If you do not have the complete copy, then just search Google. As you can see on this illustration, the compass consists of arrows, pointing into four main directions, which are the north, south, east, and west. In the original version of the compass code, there are more additional arrows that are pointing on the other different directions. The outer circle of the compass is a dial that consists of 360-degree scale. Starting from the north is the 0 and 360-degree angle. East is 90 degrees, south is 180 degrees, and west is 270 degrees. And the most interesting part of the compass code are those outside arrows, which indicates the locations of the hidden treasure deposit spots. Here are the possible hidden treasure deposits that you can recover on those spots. Now, assuming that you have found the center marker on your site, what you need to do next is to use a real compass to determine the exact direction of North Pole in your area. Then, set your Yamashita Compass Code on similar direction through the actual North Pole direction of your site. Through the markers that you found on your site, analyze them if they are giving directions to a location that matches those locations that are found on your compass code. If it happens that there is a match, then that will be your digging spot. How about the depth? The Yamashita Compass Code does interestingly provide estimate depth about reaching your target. When your site consists of a slope area, then deposits marked with blue colors on the illustration have an estimate depth of 26 meters and above. Deposits that are marked with red colors have an estimate depth of 14 meters and above. On the other hand, if your site is plain, then the deposits marked with blue colors have an estimate depth of 10 meters and above, while 7 meters and above for the red markers. Now, majority of you guys has been asking me if this Yamashita Compass Code really works. Basing it on my own personal experience, sometimes it does work but sometimes it does not work. Anyway, we no longer use it, because through the years of our treasure hunting experience, we have developed a much better and accurate approach in locating the hidden treasure deposit spot. Did you enjoy watching my video? If yes, and if you are new to my channel, then you may want to subscribe, like this video, and hit the small notification bell icon. By subscribing, and hitting the bell icon, you will receive alerts, or notifications about my new published videos. If you want a reading material about treasure hunting, then you may want to visit my blogging website at treasurehunt.club. Thank you very much for watching, and happy treasure hunting.